Hello everybody, Ethan GB here. Welcome back to another episode of Resistance 3. In this episode we are going to... Do you mind? This guy's still here.
The fog is thick here, but I have lost the river.
He's been here for 2 days. Ooh, ammo box.
May find trouble ahead.
What the hell? That's not an Ugger, that's a marksman. Ice blocks. How's that noise? What? I see it, but I don't get it.
It's scary.
I don't get the all files thing. She's dead. She's dead. So this is new. Here we have health boxes and like ammo boxes for every like vehicle we're in. So right now we're in a boat. Later on we're in a train. It's like, oh god. What is that?
You will follow the river through this mill.
What is that? Why am I locking onto things I don't want to lock onto? Get my own ammo back. Strategy.
The Chimera have changed their strategy. They used to capture us, send us to conversion centers,
Yes.
and turn us into hybrids.
Remember that?
Now they kill us. Just leave our bodies to rot. Why the change? As it is a mystery to me.
I know it is. They used to bring us in those
Joseph, straight ahead.
conversion centers.
Kraken
Oh my god, another Kraken.
must have lost its
Oh.
way from deeper waters.
A dead Kraken.
What a fascinating creature.
No, not really.
Time to stop and examine the carcass.
I don't want to. Ugh, it smells like bananas. It's kind of satisfying. Hold on, let me get a sip.
While they are feeding.
Oh my god, leapers. Let's pull out our Ugger. Yeah, remember when we fought the Kraken in the second game as Nathan Hale? Yep, I remember. And then we were also in a conversion center as Nathan Hale too. Oh damn, what's in there? Oh damn, oh damn. Bunch of stuff.
If those leapers are any indication, you may not be as safe on these waters as I had hoped.
Nah, shiz, really? Ooh, new weapon! Thank you. The Rosemary. You get everyone. Who doesn't remember this gun? This is.
Been fired for some time.
This is the.
Tested on those blast tubes
Can you
over there.
shut up? This reminds me. Like, this is our zombie weapon. We always killed Chimeran zombies
That
with this
shotgun
thing.
is effective in close quarters only. I modified its secondary fire with longer range concussion grenades. Try it.
What? No more duel? Wow, that's racist. Or wait, is there even a duel on here? I don't know. But this is this guy Malikov's shotgun that he had in the second game.
Test the secondary fire, Joseph.
I did. Shut up, chicken nugget. Okay.
Very good. If you need more ammunition, you should find it in the container.
I freaking know. I just explained this like 10 seconds ago. Oh god, is that a stalker?
No, a Goliath.
Oh, it's even worse.
Southwest.
Even worse, it's a Goliath.
Waters branch here. Let us see where this takes us.
I'm
We
scared.
must stay away from the Goliath.
Nah, really? I mean, look at that thing, it's huge. I've seen bigger. Okay, what the hell? This absolutely makes no sense. Ice. Frosty. No.
How the ice is collecting on the Chimeran power conduits.
That's what it's doing. I don't know what
The
it is.
passage looks a bit narrow. I think I can squeeze through.
No.
Hold on.
I've been on this boat too long. I need to blow stuff up. If I wanted to blow something up, I would be playing Ratchet and Clank.
Now, we are stuck on the ice. Excellent. We are free.
Alright, let's go. Don't get stuck on anything else, because I am not going to waste more ammo. I know there's a free ammo box right there, but... Oh god. Oh my... Do I have to kill zombies again? Zombie chimeras? Oh, sounds like it. No.
The water is shallow, but we must keep moving.
Really? Are you like on drugs or something, Malikov? Oh, I just want to get off this damn boat. Okay.
Joseph, did you hear that?
No, because I didn't care. I just want to get off the boat.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Why are you screaming? They can hear us. Of course. It's gonna be like a... Oh, it's the zombie ones. The zombie chimeras.
Limbs!
Yeah, I know what they're called. Just stay away from them, because I don't want to be like all the zombie mode activated. And you're getting all close to the... Oh, holy crap. Holy crap, what? 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 Why did I just get injured? No, they're gonna jump on... Oh crap, they're throwing... No, hello. See ya.
Yeah, they're jumping onto the boat.
Well then don't go so close to them, you idiot. Oh god. Gosh, this is a lot scarier than in Resistance 2. Oh gosh. Do you mind? I'll shoot you in the foot. He's like, ah.
They're in the water.
I know they're in the water. They're climbing aboard. I can see that. Oh, what? Ew. Damn. Look at. Oh, damn. See all that blood? Did you see that? Did you see it? Hey, dude, you're all knife funny, dude. You can't.
This is funny picture.
What funny picture? Let me see. Oh gosh, I sent zombies.
Limbs on the left.
Where? Wow. Get out of here. Oh, see ya. No. No. I don't trust you. Oh, geez, why did they just explode? Oh, this is the explosive ones. Not really. I forgot the explosive ones were here, too. Oh, geez, that explosion thing doesn't really work, doesn't it? What's hitting me? Oh, gosh. That's why the ammo box is here, guys. So we can kill a lot of zombies. Ugh. That one was...
There are first aid kits below me.
I know where they are. I'm only missing quarter health.
This street leads to the docks. Open water should be ahead. All clears on the roof of the diner.
Haven't we been... Why does that diner sign look so familiar? Is this Chicago? Again, is this all Chicago? Is there going to be one of those huge guys, like the Titans times 1,000? Those guys? But like freaking humongous, like scary humongous, like the one in Chicago. Yeah. Okay, just get some ammo.
More ice. I will try to speed through it.
I'll just shoot it.
Bill Gates rich.
No, he's poor. You idiot!
Stuck on the ice again. Quickly, Joseph.
Hold on, I'm trying the best I can.
The boat.
They're holding the boat? Wow, they're doing so much damage. Go, go, go. Wow, this is what you get for freaking driving into ice, you noob. You noob, do you even know how to drive, bruh? Break! Break! Move! Where's the other one? Oh, there's so many of them. Go! Come at me, son.
We should be safe now that we have found more open waters.
Hopefully.
You did very well,
Holy
Joseph.
crap. Sheesh. Zombies are taking over the world. Okay. Well, alien zombies. They're aliens. They're aliens that act like zombies. Does that make more sense? Am I more clear? Are we gonna go through this? Oh, I see.
We have your girl, Molly. There's a cabin on the north end of the Ball Lake. Meet us there. We'll have Molly waiting for you. And there it is, folks. As I always say, keep helping each other.
Shot drops. Appears they are attacking a group of leapers. Those
What?
leapers must be feral,
But
evolved independently, free of the hive mind. Very curious. This phenomenon requires further study.
Shock drone. Great. Now there's drones in this game. Yeah, freaking the stupid balls of. How many weapons do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is 7 weapons left to get, and we already have 5 of them. What's my other gun? Bullseye. Alright, can you like go any faster? Oh gosh. Oh god. Hey, they don't look like balls anymore. But they still look ugly.
They are shot at the end. Ah, blast it, folks. Stop! Ah, come on. Ah, beat that.
Jeez.
I got it. Hold on.
So much action. Oh my god, such an action-packed game, even though I'm on this boring boat with like barely. This boat is gonna explode the time we're done with it because Malikov is so bad at driving and he's like, hold on, we are in an open field and I am going to crash into this icicle real quick.
I am flying. Hold on.
Really? You freaking wrecked the boat again? Oh, you're just waiting for me to kill them and then pretend you wrecked the boat. That's what they usually do in video games. Oh, see, Malikov, it seems like you were here before because there's a bunch of destroyed ships everywhere. Oh, wow. All these beautiful ships destroyed because of Malikov. These poor beauties.
It appears we have found the river. According to my map, we are now on the Mississippi. The city of St. Louis should be close. We will stop there and look for supplies.
Great, it's probably zombies. Oh, let's get some more health. I know we're only missing 2 little snacklets or whatever. But oh gosh, don't tell me it's a. What is that? Is that the Goliath?
Look, ahead of us.
It's the Goliath.
Goliath. It is coming this way.
Cool.
Damn. We have no choice. We must stay near and pray it does not take notice.
Oh, that's nice. Here, I got I have a. This will do. Shoot the back of it and then click the explosive mode. Oh god. Oh god. Look at this! Dude, you're so bad at driving it's sailing a boat. Oh no. Oh no. Then go! What are you doing? Okay. Let's go. I think it's seen us. I'm getting hit by something. Oh gosh. The Goliath saw us. Yep. Go. We're screwed. We just got surprised butt sex by this Goliath.
I got it.
Or did we? No, we didn't. We're escaping. Never mind. It's kind of like a. Never mind. I was gonna start whistling that, but no, not anymore. Freaking Goliath ruining everything. We are gonna get like freaking like. I knew it. They're gonna. It's gonna launch missiles at us. Oh, now you go fast. Interesting. We're in a freaking boat, and you really drop. Oh, now there's drop ships. Oh, we're screwed. We're screwed. All right, see, I'm going overboard. Long legs? What are those things? Oh, those are the jumper things. They're called long legs. Okay. Uh-oh. We're kind of screwed here. This boat would totally be gone. We just got hit by like 50 missiles. Alright, let's go. Get ready for the kickoff. And that is first down. Never mind. And that is first down right there, folks. And oh no, he's gonna drive through that, isn't he? No, don't drive through that. Oh, he's not. Okay. Oh, he did drive through it, you idiots! Oh my gosh. Go! Go! They're getting through! I know, I'm going to the first aid right now. More long legs? Are you kidding me, Daddy? Get it? Daddy? Daddy long... Never mind. Okay. Oh, my butt hurts. Okay. Oh, look at it. It's a long leg. So, okay. Okay, see ya. Stop. Oh, gosh. So bloody. So bloody. I love bloodiness. That's my... I love bloodiness for everything. I love bloodiness in my woman. Let me get to the health kits! What? Get a health kit! What are you doing? Oh, and I'm already dying. Okay. Freaking long legs. Get a health kit. See ya. Are they still on the boat? Yeah, there's a couple of them. Alright. Freaking get out of here, Malikov. What are you doing? I just clicked that. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I thought we were done. Where are they? I don't have full health. I can't because there's a long legs in the way. A dead body of a long legs.
The engine is overheated. This boat will not last much longer.
Nah, really? It's kind of like half of it is like blown up.
We have us surrounded.
This is like Black Ops. Everything's like unrealistic. Okay. I don't know why I'm trying to get a first aid kit. I practically have full health. Why am I trying to shoot daddy long legs?
Excellent. Open water.
Oh my gosh. Checkpoint reach. Oh, thanks for jinxing it, you butthole.
Good God.
What? Another Goliath? Oh. Oh my gosh, he's so many.
We have no choice. We must keep moving.
You always say that. Okay, we should be dead. Faster, faster, faster. Okay, stop. Shut up. Okay, I don't know what happened. I'm pretty okay.
You walk. I'm fine. That's your pressure on me. Gotta get you someplace warm.
945 miles to New York City. We are in St. Louis, Missouri. Oh god, shut up, no, shut up. Alright everybody, that has been another episode of Resistance 3. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more.
And subscribe.
Anyways, my name's Ethan GV and I'm out. Peace.
I'm out.